Hey guys, Dibyajyoti here from the Fast Engineer. Have you ever wondered why birds can sit on high voltage power lines and not get electrocuted? But if a human touches the same wire, it can be deadly. This simple question reveals one of the most important concepts in electrical engineering. To understand this, we first need to understand how electric current flows. Electric current only flows when there is a complete path, also called a closed circuit. And more importantly, current flows only when there is a difference in voltage, also called potential difference. Here is an example of a closed circuit. A closed circuit means there is a complete path for current to flow. Electric current moves from the battery through the wire and back again. Because the path is complete, the bulb lights up. Here is an example of the open circuit. An open circuit means the path is broken. Since the circuit is not complete, current cannot flow. And because there is no current, the bulb remains off. Now let's look at the bird. When a bird sits on a single power line, both of its feet are on the same wire. This means both feet are at the same voltage level. Since there is no voltage difference, no current flows through the bird's body. And because no current flows, the bird is completely safe. Now compare this with a human. If a human touches a live wire while standing on the ground, the body creates a path between high voltage and the ground. Now there is a voltage difference and current flows through the body, which can be extremely dangerous. But what if a bird touches two wires at different voltages, or a wire and a grounded object? Then current will definitely flow and the bird can get electrocuted. So the conclusion? So the reason birds do not get shocked is simple. No voltage difference means no current flow, and no current means no shock. That's the power of understanding basic electrical concepts. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more amazing electrical concepts, please hit the subscribe button. Stay curious, stay electrified, and keep learning.